Hi, my name is Chuen, and this year I am 13 years old. Today I will present to you my game called Arithmetic Escape with my partner.
Hi, my name is Danish and I'm 15 years old.
I chose SCG4, Quality Education, where my project requires you to answer math questions scattered around the map in order for you to proceed to the next challenge. First, I'll click on the play button, and the game will greet you with instructions and a bit of insight on what you're here for. There's also a tutorial, so you can get yourself started. First, we're gonna go to the coin board and get some coins. Okay, now I have 16 coins. I'll go to the shop to buy some weapons to fight. Here's the shop. The shop sells you different web potions for you to use in your battle. Each potion has different stats, but I'm gonna buy all of them and stats. So now we're gonna go to the path. You have a choice of either fighting the island boss or fighting the farm first. I'm gonna fight the farm first. Okay. And now we're gonna start the battle by clicking anywhere on the screen. So the first boss is an onion. To equip your weapon, you need to press Q and click to shoot. Okay, now we have defeated the onion. It's time for the capsicums. The capsicums will attack either left or right if they're closer to the right or left side of the screen. Okay, now we defeated the capsicums. It's time for the final boss, which is the beetroot. For this one, I'm going to use homing because it can track down the enemy's location. And if you touch it, it will take away one health to help you in your battle. Okay. So now we're going to continue on with our journey to the food desert first. Okay. Now here's the charm shop. We're going to buy a charm. We're going to buy the sapphire. We need them. Okay. Now we're going to fight the island boss. For this one, I'm going to use shop, and to equip your charm, you can press Z and use X to activate. You gain 1 mana per 10 seconds, and you can get 1 mana at the start. So you can do it. After the first one, there will be 3 of them to come and help. Now that we have defeated the coconuts, we got 25 more coins, and we can continue on our adventure. So here we have another shop and another boss. We're going to go to the shop first and buy a new weapon. Okay, so this is the third boss, which consists 3 types of enemies here. The first one being the gumball machine, second being a lollipop, which you cannot damage. Okay, now it's time for the third one, the wafer. So this boss has 2 types of attacks, one being extremely deadly and the other one being also deadly. Okay, so after you finish that level, we have another quest for you, which is the final quest. So now that I've defeated the boss, we can go off here and we have the choice to fight the optional boss, or we can just go to the castle. Now we're gonna fight the skeleton boss. So this boss, it has only 1 attack, but it also has other enemies helping it. Okay, so after you defeat it or fail to defeat it, it's time for the final area. You have 20 seconds to complete this area and to get to the end. You need to go through 4 different hallways and survive the ghosts attacking every few seconds. If you die, you respawn, but the timer will run out. Okay. So the difficulties I faced making this game is where the sprites would have the wrong costume at a certain time. I solved it by using a variable to ensure its costume. If I had more time, I would add in more in-depth story and smoother sprites. Thank you.